Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be an exciting video. You guys, I stood up last night creating this and I am obsessed. Do you guys know? Obsessed. This is my very first project with the new crepe paper Snowflake collection. And it was so much fun to play with. So I decided to create a pocket letter, but not your typical pocket letter. This is an embellishment pocket letter. And I call it that because there's embellishments. Ooh, there's embellishments on each pocket. You guys see that? There's rosettes that they can pull out. We have these little clip ones on this side. And then there's two little bows. And you guys, you can play around with your bow dies however you want. I know that these are the bottom parts of the bows, but I just layered them on top of each other with some foam tape. You see that? And I love how they look. I didn't want to use the loopy part. I just like that, the way that looked. But yeah, you guys, this is my embellishment pocket letter. And I think it's just a fun idea. I'm going to go through every pocket, but I wanted to tell you guys my idea. It's just, instead of filling the pockets, I made them all tags because Christmas season, we're all seeing a bunch of Christmas tags. So I figured I'd make each little card into the shape of a tag, which I love, the little like open holes on each side. I didn't do a shaker on this one, which I'm totally fine with. I want to kind of like to decorate the bottom part here. And then I made an embellishment for each pocket so that when the recipient receives a pocket letter, they can just take off the embellishments and use them on their projects. So what do you guys think? This is the first pocket, and I used the Tim Holtz rosettes, the one with the 3 different ones. And I used the green paper. There's a little wood veneer heart. The chipboard. This is from a sticker, Echo Park sticker chipboard that I found. This is from the ephemera from Snowflake. And then some cute little gemmies right there. I used a bunch of the stickers from the collection, and then I used the label ones to kind of make it look like a display, kind of like an award. So cute, you guys. And then here's another rosette, the different style. And then there's like a little snowflake. There's like 4 layers. There's a snowflake, chipboard star in white, chipboard star in gold. Here's one of those new Coco and Reno little bows. And then another little piece of the ephemera. And then we have this one right here, which has another little rosette. And then it has a snowflake chipboard, this little tree sticker that I found in my stash, and then the little wording from the ephemera pack. It says Burr. I added a little gemmy to the bottom of the exclamation point, and also inked the edges with my gold marker. I'm obsessed, you guys. I love it so much. And then on this one, which is my favorite, I made those cute little like flag embellishments. So I made 2 of them. I did this one, so you have the flag, and then there's foam tape with like a little, I think it's a 2-inch circle, some gold threading, the chipboard with a little girl, added a cute little bow, and then the little December chipboard I stitched all the way around. It had like faux stitching, so I just stitched right on that line. And I think it turned out so cute. And then I did this with the Coco and Reno new bows, but I didn't use the actual bow on top. I just wanted to use the bottom parts. And I did 2 of those. And then I added some little gemmies in the middle. And then here's the other little page flag clip. And then it's the same thing. It's the page flag. And I did double-sided so that you don't see just plain white. So there's 2 sheets layered together. We got the 1-inch or 2-inch circle, some gold thread, a little piece of ephemera with a poinsettia, this little snowflake charm that I found in my stash, and then 2 chipboard trees from the collection, little red star from the Echo Park chipboard, and more of those little gemstones. I kept them very cohesive around the whole pocket letter because I like the way they look. There's one right here. And then the last pocket right here is another rosette with 2 chipboard pieces, the little poinsettia, and then there's 2 little pom-poms right here. This one says December 25th. I did cover the 25, you guys. When I saw that, I was laughing. And then I did this little ephemera piece that says Season of Joy. I stitched right on top and added another one of those little gold gemmies. And then over here, I just used that big chipboard that comes in the Snowflake collection that says Let It Snow, and decorated around it. I used this little flower right here that was sent to me in some Happy Mail. These two were sent to me in some Happy Mail. These little stars are from the chipboard. Some more of those little gemmies. This little gold bow I found in my stash. And then this cute little button that's right there. So I decorated it up. And what do you guys think? And then I added washi tape. If you can see it right here, there's like polka dotted washi tape. But then I used some chipboard, not some chipboard, some alpha, well, they are chipboard. Some alpha chipboards that I found in my stash. And I spelled out the word embellishments, which I'm so happy that it's exactly the size of the strip. Do you guys see that? It came out perfect. And then I just wanted to like put this little strip of trim, because it kind of like reminds me of like snowy weather where you see this sometimes peeking out of boots, and I thought it'd be perfect. And I love it, you guys. I love it so much. It's just a different way to share pocket letters. Usually you decorate the pocket and then you give your gifts, but I feel like this, you're actually handing over the gift, and then I would put it in a actual envelope that's like this, not where it would close up, because I wouldn't want anything to get ruined. But yeah, what do you guys think? Let me know down below what you guys think of this embellishment pocket letter. Instead of like an embellishment book, this is an embellishment pocket letter. But yeah, you guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down below if you guys are going to recreate, if you guys like the idea, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.